this one more time, but I want something different for this second time. I want you guys, instead of doing one sentence per word, instead of picking out one word and throwing it here and doing the vocab and then picking up a different word and doing it here and doing the vocab, I want you guys to put at least 2 vocab words, and these do not have to be exclusive to the ones we've already used because we've already used them. You guys have just seen and used these, so they could be any of the vocab words that you use in any of your classes. I want you guys to write 5 more sentences that contain one math word and one non-math word together. I want you guys to combine your math language, your math-specific language, and your other general academic language, right? And it doesn't have to be crazy. You could say, I found it odd that the difference of these 2 numbers is 10, right? That is using odd as strange, and it's using difference as the difference of subtraction, right? It's very quick. And so I want you guys to piece together 5 sentences that use both math-specific and general academic vocabulary, right? And I'm gonna give you a couple more minutes to do that. And this is tedious and difficult, trust me. This is something that we almost never do, especially in the math classroom, which is kind of why we're doing it today. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you can do that. And I'm going to write up here really quickly. I'm going to write that first one that I stated. I'm going to work on getting this in to, let's see, so you said, so I'm going to write that one that I wrote earlier. I'm going to write it right here. Ooh, I'm going to use black.
On the side here.
Do we have a?
It's on the side, on the left side.
Oh, yes, the color on the, thank you. Do I like circle it for the eraser?
Oh, you turn your pen around.
Oh.
So it's like an eraser.
Oh, that's pretty
And then
interesting.
You turn around and it'll write.
Oh, wow, that is something that I've never seen before. So I find it odd that the difference, and I'll underline this because I know I'm kind of writing it between the numbers is 10. Now, one thing I do not do enough of is writing, and that is evident with my handwriting. It is not great. The sentence I said earlier, as an example, I find it odd, right? And in this case, we're using odd as strange. We're not using it as, an odd number, right? We're using it as strange. I said, I find it odd that the difference, right? Difference as in subtraction. We've taken 2 numbers and we've subtracted them. Between the 2 numbers is 10. Now, this is a sentence that we might say in class. This is a sentence that we might not say in class. It might be unique to this context, whatever. But it uses 2 different vocabulary terms in 2 different ways. It uses one in sort of a general academic way, as we learned it in language arts, in social studies, in any of those classes. And it uses one word in a math-specific context. This is what I'm looking for with this activity. We're writing using multiple vocab words in different ways, in different contexts. Okay, are there any questions about that? How many of you have one of these as of now? Or do we need to spend a little bit more time on this? Good, we're gonna spend a little bit more time on this. We do still have the reading portion that we have to get back to. And so we will not do this we don't have to do all 5 examples and all that. But I do want at least one sort of compounded sentence with 2 different vocab words. So I'm gonna give you guys about 3 more minutes